Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at the Sweeney job. Lovely St. Johns County, Florida. Doing a little preliminary walk around. Got some rain this morning. So we're out doing some videos and catching up on where we were. As you can see, that was an outdoor kitchen we just brought in yesterday. All American-made Delta Heat appliances. Nothing from China. I can tell you, over 80% of what most people sell out there is from China, whether it's Bull, Blaze, every brand just about out there is made in China. We try to stay away from that if at all possible. It's only a few $100s more to get the American-made good stuff. As you can see, this is Mega Glacier. We got some beautiful 6x9 lighting inside the pavers. These just came out. And this was the first customer to try the new lights that we are bringing in from our supplier. As you can see, we got a nice 6x9 border, as always. Nice picture frame around everything. The outdoor kitchen was set yesterday. As you can see, the stucco needs to cure for a few days. And then we're going to be probably matching the home unless the customer decides to make it a different color. Let's take a walk around the other side. I'm going to give you an overview of what the customer's getting. They've got an outdoor rated fridge. They've got a double trash, tall trash can slide, 32-inch Delta Heat grill, door drawer combo, access door under the 18x18 undermount sink, which is a very deep, very nice sink that we sell. We're bringing in some electrical outlets on the backsplash, probably a little margarita machine action, and of course receptacle under the bottom to tie in for the lights on the grill. And then we've got some low voltage lights, some wiring up under there because we're going to be putting some underlighting under the bar top. We got 2 slabs of granite being custom cut on a radius and create some underlighting. Then we're going to be building a big nice cover over the top of all this. This is still in the design preliminary stages. We're cultivating some good ideas. And then we'll take you over to the recessed or sunken fire pit area. This is the full seating bench, not seating wall, full seating bench with the back on it. Got some nice low voltage lights, 26x26 columns, the large columns. Once again, 6x9 border inlay. Very, very nice. So 2 columns, full seating wall, and we do have a chase pipe. We do have a chase pipe in the bottom for a future fire bowl and burner. So that's a quick overview of the job, showing you guys how things go together and how quickly it happens and how professional you're treated when you deal with Florida Coastal. So you guys have a blessed day. We'll be showing you some pictures when the granite gets set, most likely Monday or Tuesday. Get some paint on this outdoor kitchen, get the appliances set, and call this a wrap. Y'all have a blessed day. See you soon.